Ever turned your key and got nothing but silence? Here's what might be going on. First, check your battery. A dead or weak battery is the most common reason a Mazda CX-5 won't start. Look for dim lights or no lights on your dashboard. If you have jumper cables or a jump pack, try jump-starting your car. Next, make sure you're in park or neutral and your foot is on the brake. Sometimes a simple thing like the gear shift being in the wrong position can stop your car from starting. Still nothing? Listen for a clicking sound when you turn the key. If you hear clicking, your starter or battery connections might be the issue. Check your battery cables for corrosion or loose connections. Tighten or clean them if needed. If your engine turns over but won't start, you might be out of gas, or your fuel system could have a problem. Also, make sure your key fob battery isn't dead. Modern cars need a working fob to start. If you've tried all this and it still won't start, it might be a bigger issue, like a bad starter, alternator, or a blown fuse. At this point, it's best to call a mechanic. Remember, don't ignore warning signs. Taking quick action can save you time and money. That's why your Mazda CX-5 might not start, and what you can do about it.